Jackfruit begins its journey as a large tropical fruit growing on the trunk of the jackfruit tree. For chips, mature green jackfruit is commonly selected because its firm flesh holds its shape during processing. Harvesting focuses on careful cutting and handling because jackfruit can be heavy and easily damaged by hard impacts. After harvest, the jackfruits are gathered into sturdy containers for controlled movement from the orchard. Once collected, the jackfruits are loaded into transport vehicles for their journey to the processing factory. The loaded jackfruits are secured for transport, keeping the heavy harvest organized as it leaves the farm. Multiple loaded trucks assemble to move the harvested jackfruit efficiently toward the processing facility. With the harvest secured, the convoy begins the journey from the orchard toward the industrial processing plant. The farm supply chain now connects rural jackfruit production with the high-capacity processing industry. After leaving the farms, the fresh jackfruit arrives at a modern facility built for large-scale food processing. The harvested jackfruit now enters a controlled industrial environment where every load can be measured and inspected. Automated hydraulic equipment gently unloads the heavy jackfruits into the factory's receiving hopper. From the hopper, whole jackfruits enter a continuous conveyor system that controls their movement through the factory. The conveyor keeps the harvested jackfruit moving steadily toward washing and preparation. The whole jackfruits are washed with controlled water systems to remove surface dirt before preparation. Mechanical screens and air systems remove leaves, stems, and loose debris before the fruit reaches inspection. Optical inspection systems examine each jackfruit for visible defects before it continues into processing. Automated sorting separates jackfruits according to the quality requirements of the chip production line. Grading systems measure the incoming jackfruit so the preparation line receives more consistent raw material. After grading, the selected jackfruits merge into the main line for preparation and conversion into chips. The thick outer rind is mechanically removed, exposing the firm jackfruit flesh for further preparation. The prepared jackfruit is separated from its tougher core, seeds, and unwanted material before slicing. Precision slicing converts the firm jackfruit flesh into evenly sized pieces suitable for chip production. Uniform slices now provide the raw shape that will eventually become crisp jackfruit chips. Depending on the recipe, controlled pre-treatment can prepare the slices for more consistent cooking and texture. The prepared slices now enter controlled cooking, where heat removes moisture and develops the characteristic crisp texture. Controlled frying removes moisture from the jackfruit slices while developing their crisp structure. As water leaves the slices, the jackfruit becomes lighter, firmer, and progressively more crisp. After cooking, controlled draining removes excess surface oil before the chips are cooled. Controlled cooling brings the freshly cooked chips toward a stable temperature for the next processing stage. Once cooled, the chips receive a controlled layer of seasoning to create their finished flavor profile. After seasoning, controlled stabilization helps the chips reach a consistent condition before final inspection. Through controlled cooking, moisture removal, cooling, and seasoning, fresh jackfruit has become a ready-to-package snack. Machine vision checks the finished chips for appearance and consistency before they enter the packaging line. Automated quality controls remove unsuitable pieces while approved chips continue toward packaging. After passing quality control, the finished jackfruit chips move continuously toward automated filling and packaging. Final automated checks confirm that the finished chips meet the production specifications before packaging. Gentle automated conveyors transfer the fragile chips toward packaging while controlling their movement and flow. A controlled holding hopper balances the chip flow so the packaging machines receive product at a steady rate. Clean food-grade packaging is prepared beside the filling system before the chips are portioned. Automated feeders position each empty pouch precisely so every package can receive its measured portion. Precision filling systems measure and place controlled portions of crispy jackfruit chips into each pouch. Each filled pouch is automatically weighed to keep package quantities within the required specification. Automated sealing closes each pouch with a controlled food package seal that protects the chips from the outside environment. Automated labeling gives each sealed package its product identification before distribution. Production codes are added automatically so finished packages can be traced through the supply chain. Automated carton formers convert flat cardboard blanks into sturdy cases for transporting the finished snack packages. Robotic packers group the sealed pouches and place them into shipping cartons with precise, repeatable movements. Each filled carton is automatically closed and sealed to protect the packaged chips during handling and transport. Robotic palletizers stack the finished cartons into stable loads, ready for automated warehouse handling. Finished jackfruit chips are transferred into organized warehouse storage, while automated systems track every pallet. Before dispatch, automated systems verify each pallet's identity, weight, and packaging condition. Autonomous warehouse vehicles move finished pallets between storage and dispatch without interrupting the production flow. Finished pallets leave the warehouse through automated loading systems and enter the distribution network. From the factory, finished jackfruit chips begin the road journey toward markets and consumers. What began as fresh jackfruit on farms now moves through a coordinated industrial network toward consumers. From mature fruit on the farm to packaged chips, every stage connects agriculture with modern food manufacturing. Processing changes the fruit's structure and moisture content while packaging protects the finished product after manufacture. Jackfruit chips are not simply dried fruit. Their texture depends on controlled preparation, cooking, and moisture management. Modern processing can separate byproducts for potential recovery while keeping the main food stream controlled and hygienic. Inside this automated factory, thousands of kilograms of jackfruit can move through coordinated processing and packaging systems. After a carefully controlled journey, fresh jackfruit emerges as a crisp snack ready for the market. Across multiple production lines, automation turns a seasonal agricultural crop into thousands of consistent packaged snacks. From a jackfruit growing in the field to a finished chip on the shelf, this is the complete journey of modern fruit processing.